Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys like how I prepare my food. It's like a meal preparation from Sunday to Thursday. No, from Sunday to Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, for 4 days, because in that 4 days I will be going to work, and what I normally do is prepare my food a day before I go to work in the next day. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, I think I lined up because every week I want to do it like for example, for last week, what I did is I baked some chicken breast and baked some chicken breast and steamed some shrimp. That was for last week. And then this week what I'm gonna do is bake some tilapia. I feel like I'm gonna also cook some steak, and then, you know, as usual, I have to have some greens on my food, and then a little bit of steamed rice. And I did, like you seen in the vlog yesterday, I went to Walmart to pick up some groceries, and I had some grapes, and I have to have some yogurt for that's like my snacks. So yeah, and then, you know, in the morning I have my overnight oatmeal, which we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. And it's just really easy. And thank God I've seen this for mason jars, because that's really good for like the 4 days. So yeah, and without further ado, let's get this started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this overnight oats. I have this Quaker oats. I put almond breeze, this is the unsweetened vanilla, and also mixed fruit. And it has pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango. Those are like my favorite. So I believe you have to overnight this for like 15 to 17 hours. That's what I'm doing it right now, so it'll be ready for tomorrow. And I'm gonna put this ground cinnamon and some vanilla extract on it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I put in this side peaches, strawberry, mango, and banana. And like I said, I put ground cinnamon in it too. And I'll just put this on the fridge, and this will be good for tomorrow. I'm also boiling some eggs so I can mix this with my salad. Okay guys, that's our egg now. It's still hot. I boil a lot of eggs because my husband also eats boiled eggs. I normally, like I said earlier, mix this with my salad. Together with my salad, I like to have an egg on the side. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit and for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in this container right here so I can put this on the fridge. Okay guys, so I'm going to steam this green beans and also this 2 broccoli right here in the bag. And our tilapia. This is skinless and boneless fillet. So right there. So I'll just have to toss it in the oven. I'm gonna preheat the oven for 350 and prepare the tilapia. Okay guys, now this is the steam. I like this because you can if you want to steam 2 types of vegetable, and you can just like do green beans and broccoli. That's that. So I already put water on it to steam, and then in the side it will tell you how many minutes. If you want the broccoli for 16 to 18 minutes, that's what I did, set it to 18 minutes. And if you want to steam some fish, they have 10 to 16. I think this is like a hot dog. And corn, 16 to 20 minutes. Carrots, 18 to 20 minutes. And I believe this is chicken, 24 to 26 minutes. So yeah, that's my green beans and some broccoli. Okay, here's our fish, you guys. I'm gonna take this out in the plastic and tap them to dry, like a paper towel to dry them, because there's still some of like ice on it because it's come from the freezer. So that's that. And here I have here my seasonings. This is the Old Bay with garlic and herb. This is really good and it tastes so good. And I have the original Old Bay seasoning. I have here some cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, garlic, ground black pepper, and Mrs. Dash. My husband's like the Mrs. Dash too. And yeah, so I put this olive oil spray right here because this is gonna be mine and his right there. And I'm gonna be turning this to, hold on, start, oh, hold on, bake, put bake, and 350 start. And it's still, I'm gonna wait because it's preheating now. That's how it looks, guys. This is Old Bay, original Old Bay. This is the Old Bay garlic and herb. I believe this is a, oh no, lemon pepper, garlic and herb, Old Bay, Mrs. Dash, and garlic powder, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Mix it. And this is just all Old Bay because I just like it Old Bay. I don't want any flavors. I just like it Old Bay. This is my side and this is his side right here. And I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes. And I have to put this tin foil first, aluminum foil.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, so it's all done. I forgot to it's already there. Like, that's done. I'm gonna eat that for later, the extra one. And then this is his, which is, I'm gonna wrap that up as well, like mine right here. So we have here Sunday, which is tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This is my lunch for the whole 4 day, for the next 4 days. And this is my breakfast for the next 4 days. So I have, like I said, the strawberry, I believe banana, mango, and peach. And I like you seen guys earlier, I boiled 10 eggs. So every morning I also get 2 eggs, and I will be making salad after this one. Or I'll probably make a salad in the morning so it doesn't go bad. So I'll just eat it in the morning together with the oatmeal. So that's that. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. That's how I normally cook or prepare, or like what they call like meal prep. Yeah, so for like a 4 days straight, normally I work sometimes 4 days straight or 5 days straight, for Sunday to Wednesday or Sunday to Thursday. So but this week I'm only gonna work from Sunday morning to Wednesday. So that's like 7 shift, no, not 7 shift, but 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's why I have to prepare some foods. But that's just not it. I have my grapes, so I have some snacks as well. I have some yogurt, that's what I got from yesterday. And then I have some protein bar. And then sometimes I switch it up. If I'm not gonna eat the oatmeal, I'll do like a shake, like the strawberry, you know, the mixed fruit shake with protein, vanilla protein shake. So yeah, I kind of like switch it up a little bit, so I don't have to, or I don't get kind of like bored just eating the same food every day. So I kind of like switch it up a little bit. So but that's that. And so yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.